18th July 2020, Saturday. Good morning. You are listening Avni Aaron, your news anchor from La Wafara Media. Here we bring you all the latest updated news from around the world. India today became the third country after US and Brazil to report 10 lakh coronavirus cases. India has reported 25,602 deaths till now with a fatality rate of 2.55. Kashmiri model Junaid Shah, who was known as Ranbir Kapoor's look-alike, has passed away aged 28 due to cardiac arrest. Microbiologist from California Institute of Technology accidentally discovered a type of bacteria that eats metal after performing unrelated experiments. A school principal in Gujarat's Vadodara has received over 12,000 Rakhis to send to army soldiers deployed in Galwan Valley, Siachen Glacier and Kargil. RLP MP and BJP ally Hanuman Beniwal on Thursday claimed that former Rajasthan Chief Minister and BJP leader Vasundhara Raje is trying to save the minority government of Ashok Gehlot. The gunman of UAE consular attaché, who his family said has been missing since Thursday, was found near his house in Kerala with cuts on his wrist. Former RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan said that the government should focus on profitable firms that haven't been making revenues but incurring costs. During his Ladakh visit on Friday, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said that not 1 inch of India's land can be taken by any power in the world. Discovery Plus has launched COVID-19 India War Against the Virus, an exclusive documentary on key steps being taken across the country to battle the ongoing pandemic. Narrated by Manoj Bajpayee in Hindi and Gautam Menon in Tamil, it features interviews with Bill Gates, Adar Poonawalla, Sonu Sood, Dr. Harshvardhan and other scientists, doctors, government officials on the forefront of the battle. I, Avni Aaron, will come with the new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.